Good morning, y'all. I'm sorry, my brother is running through the house yelling stuff. I don't know what's happening. But good morning. As you can see, I did not do my hair. It is December 1st. Happy Merry Vlogmas. I know I started early. I started yesterday. So y'all will see this video later today. I got clothes hanging on my door, y'all, so excuse that. But I mean, this fool running through the house, y'all. But yeah, so I'm just eating my breakfast. um I am going to make my intro for Vlogmas, y'all. So I watched this video yesterday, and it really just, you know, really helped your girl a lot, because I didn't know I could do this. But it was, what's her name? I'm gonna remember her name because I actually went ahead and subscribed to her channel. But the video is old. This is from last December. Tiana Woe. So I was scrolling through YouTube, of course, trying to see if there was a way that I can make me an intro for Vlogmas. And y'all would have seen it by now because this video was going up. But excuse me, so I looked that all up and I came across her video, and I was like, well, let me watch hers, because the other girl, it was a lot. And I don't know, I just don't like doing stuff on my phone, because then I have to try to send it to my computer, and then sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes my computer says, oh, storage is full. And then sometimes it lets me send stuff. So I was like, nah, let me just do something that's gonna already be on the computer. Baby, this girl done told me to use Keynote. Now, I done had iPhone my whole life, just about, and never knew what Keynote was for. Never even attempted to use it. And now I'm finding out I can use it for to make my intro. Like, come on. So that is what I'm going to be working on today. Y'all will see that process in today's video. But yeah, I'll show y'all that in a bit. It might take me a minute, so I won't show everything, but you know. And I apologize for looking yellow, because I am in my room and I don't have great lighting in here, so I'm going to be a little yellow. But it is what it is. But yeah, I will talk to y'all in a bit. Listen, y'all. I had to get back into bed. It is freezing. I have on a sweatshirt. I have my sharper blanket. And I have a heating pad on me. Because what is Florida going through? Like, why is it cold? Then, let's see. Baby, it's 45 degrees outside. And on top of that, we have wood floors, so it's real cold in here. There's nothing stopping the cold from coming through. And yeah, I fixed my light, y'all, so I should look normal now. I had to actually go and get my light to make this look right. But what I'm about to do is start attempting to do this this process on Keynote to make my intro. And then after that, I need to make product and get that shipped out today, because I did do Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I think I said this already, but I didn't do as expected. But you know, it is what it is. It was my first time doing the sale, so I you know, I've accomplished what surviving a sale, I guess I should say. So I don't feel no way about it. I just know, like, what to expect and what not to expect, and like how to prep for it properly. So I mean, it is what it is. But I do appreciate the people who did support me in this sale, who actually bought things from me. because they didn't have to. And now I can mark another state off of my my sales chart. So every time I sell to a new state, I like kind of write down, okay, we've made it here. They actually have one on Amazon, I believe, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy it so that I can like mark it off like that. Because I think that's pretty cool to keep track of. But we are now in, let's see, we are now in 5 states. I think that's right. 5, yeah, 5 or 6 states. My product has made it to, and I am blessed beyond measures for that, because I mean, I could have not sold anything at all, you know. And it's the small things that we have to look at in life, that we have to be appreciative of. And I'm going to be appreciative of this small milestone, because the small milestones and how you live with those, I do believe affect your big milestones and how you live with those. So I try to stay humble, because again, I could have just not sold anything. I could have made this product back in when was that, March, April. I could have made this product and it not sold at all. So, you know, I'm just going to continue to be grateful, continue to be humble, and stay in prayer, because that's all I can do, right? But yeah, let me get set up so I can show y'all this. And yeah. Yeah, so for the last hour I have been working on this Vlogmas intro, and I've literally only done the I'll probably say it right here. I've literally only done the like inserting everything in. I haven't even added music. I haven't transferred it over to Final Cut so that I can put the music in and have the music right. I haven't even selected music. Y'all, it's been an hour. And I know this stuff takes time, but Lord Jesus, like, oh my gosh, like, I want to be done. And I really hope I'm doing this right. And y'all, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but I have like this purple line going through, like, what is that? The right side of my camera right now. And I don't know what it is. I've taken my lens off and cleansed it. I looked at my lens to make sure like there's no cracks or anything in it. Like, I don't know. I really need a new camera. But until then, this gonna be my road out, cause like not right now. Right now I can't get another camera. Right now, you know, I gotta deal with what I got. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I have so far. Did I put that in? So let me see. And I don't know if it's doing it right, but like, I don't like that everything's already on the screen. Like, I feel like that stuff's supposed to come in separately, and I don't know what I'm doing with that. So yeah, I'm about to watch this video some more that I found and see, cause like, I'm pretty sure her stuff comes in separately. I'm pretty sure her stuff comes in separately. So let me figure that out, and I'll be back to talk to y'all, because I definitely have to edit this video and post it by 6 o'clock. Yeah. Going through it, y'all. Going through it. Alright, y'all, so let me show y'all what I have so far. This does not have music or anything in it. This is just what I've created in Keynote. So I got my little sparkles. Oh, maybe I need to zoom out some. Alright, so I'm gonna have to change this because it's taking like forever to start. And I don't know why. Did I? Oh, I gotta click it. So I think what I want to do is change the build order on this. I want to change when my subscribe thing comes in. Like it needs to be delayed. Or maybe it's the, because I don't like this one. This whole appear thing, it just doesn't seem to. Yeah, okay, so now I need to delay when the Vlogmas thing comes in, because that's coming in way too fast after that. So let me delay it for a second. And then this needs to just, after transition, come in. And let's preview the whole thing again. So there go my things, there go my sparkles. There we go. I think I like that. I think this, I want to slow this down just a second, because I feel like it's swooshing in too fast. There. So I think I want to make the subscribe the last thing that comes in. And let's see how that looks with subscribe coming in last. Boom. I think it's a winner. So now I just gotta figure out how I think I just y'all, let me figure out how I'm supposed to save this, and let's just make sure it's playing correctly now without me having to click it. Alright, y'all, so let me go back to the video again and figure out what my next step is now that I have it set up the way that I like it. And yeah, I need to find some music. Yeah, so I finished it and I am so proud of myself because I love it. Let me play it for y'all, because listen, your girl really just did this for real, and I'm so proud of myself. I didn't have no help except for that YouTube video, and I figured out the rest. So let's look at it. Baby, I did that. So yeah, this is what y'all will see later on at 6 o'clock. Well, y'all probably done seen it already, actually. Yeah, y'all done seen it. But this is, I'm just so proud of myself because, baby, listen, I didn't know how I was gonna get this intro done for this Vlogmas, y'all. I really didn't. But yeah, y'all will see this. At this point, y'all seen it because this is day one of Vlogmas. But y'all, like, Yeah, I'm just so proud of myself. I really am. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this vlog edited. And first day of Vlogmas is definitely going to be very short because yeah, I don't have a lot of footage. But day 2 and 3 and you know the rest of the days I have more more for y'all. All right.